If you're getting an Epic Games error during checkout, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can complete your purchase without wasting time. This issue is often caused by a temporary server block, incorrect account details, a launcher cache problem, or even a network or VPN conflict. So let's go through the easiest solutions first and work our way up. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, the simplest fix is to wait and try again. In many cases, Epic Games checkout errors are only temporary. If the store is busy or your account has been flagged briefly by the system, waiting 5 minutes can sometimes be enough. In other situations, you may need to wait up to 24 hours before trying again. That may sound frustrating, but if the issue is caused by traffic or a temporary restriction, patience can actually solve it without any extra steps. Next, check your account details carefully. Make sure the region on your Epic Games account matches your actual physical location. If your region is set incorrectly, checkout can fail because Epic may not be able to verify the payment properly. Also, double check your payment information. Look at your card number, expiration date, billing address, and any other required fields. Even a small typo can trigger an error during checkout, so it's worth reviewing everything slowly before trying again. If the error still appears, switch to a browser instead of using the Epic Games launcher. Sometimes the launcher itself can cause checkout problems while the website works perfectly fine. Open a browser like Chrome or Edge, sign into your Epic Games account, and try completing the purchase there. This often bypasses launcher-related issues and gives you a smoother checkout experience. Now let's clear the Epic Games launcher cache because old or corrupted cache files can definitely interfere with purchases. First, close the launcher completely. Make sure it is not running in the background, then press Windows key plus R to open the run box. Type %local app data % and press enter. In the folder that opens, find Epic Games Launcher, then open saved and delete the web cache folder. After that, restart the launcher and try checkout again. This can refresh the app and fix hidden loading or payment problems. Another thing to check is whether you have a VPN or proxy turned on. If you do, disable it temporarily. VPNs and proxy services can make your location look different from your account region, and that can cause Epic Games to block the transaction. Even if your payment method is valid, the system may see a location mismatch and stop the checkout from going through. So turn off any VPN, restart your connection, and test the purchase again. If nothing has worked so far, try a different network. For example, switch from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot or use another internet connection entirely. Some networks have restrictions, routing issues, or security settings that can interfere with checkout pages. Changing networks helps you figure out whether the problem is with Epic Games or with your current connection. At this point, one of these fixes should usually get rid of the Epic Games error during checkout. Start with waiting and retrying, then verify your region and payment details. Try the browser method, clear the launcher cache, disable VPN or proxy tools, and finally test a different network. That step-by-step process solves the majority of checkout issues. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more gaming and tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Epic Games error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.